Is your low porosity hair feeling dry, rough, and impossible to moisturize? Stop wasting your money on heavy leave-in conditioners that just sit on top of your strands without penetrating the hair shaft. Today, I'm making a powerful DIY deep conditioner using 6 kitchen ingredients specifically chosen for low porosity hair. This rich, moisture-packed blend helps soften stiff strands, reduce breakage, and deeply hydrate the hair, leaving it smoother, shinier, and easier to manage. Watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how this recipe melts away dryness naturally and helps low porosity hair finally hold moisture.
1, 2, 3.
This is the rice, which is the first ingredient that I'm going to be using. You guys can use any rice of your choice. I'll first pour 1 cup of the rice into this bowl and wash it. After washing, here I've grabbed my pan and I'm going to add in some water so I can boil the rice. I've added in about 2 cups of water. Using boiled rice as a deep conditioner provides one major benefit, which is strengthening and repairing damaged hair to reduce breakage. The amino acids and starch found in cooked rice coat the hair shaft, helping in fill in weak spots along the cuticle to make your hair smoother and stronger. I've taken it off the stove, removed the water, and let it cool down. I'm now going to be grabbing my blender to add it in there. I'll be using about 3 to 4 spoons of the rice and putting it into the blender now. The next ingredient is an avocado. I'm going to be adding it right in there with the rice. Avocado promotes hair growth by delivering intense moisture and essential nutrients directly to the scalp and the strands. Its rich content of fatty acids and vitamins help improve scalp health, unclog follicles, and strengthen the hair to prevent breakage that slows down length retention. The next ingredient is a banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, silica, vitamins, and antioxidants that help strengthen the strands, improve circulation, and reduce breakage. I'm now adding some watercress. Watercress is packed with nutrients that support healthier hair growth by delivering essential vitamins and minerals directly to the scalp. The fourth ingredient is 2 spoons of honey. Honey promotes hair growth by stimulating dormant follicles with antioxidants and improving scalp circulation. I'm now adding 1/4 cup of castor oil to this mixture. Lastly, I'm going to be using the fruit of earth aloe vera to make this recipe even more powerful. Because of its enzymes and amino acids, it helps promote hair growth by cleansing the scalp, unblocking follicles, soothing inflammation, and hydrating the hair without weighing it down. Now let's blend everything together. Make sure you blend this mixture until it becomes completely smooth and liquefied. Moving on, I'm now using a bowl and a cheesecloth to strain the mixture and remove any leftover particles. This is how the mixture looks like after blending. This is the leftover particles. Here is the potent deep conditioner for low porosity hair. This powerful DIY recipe delivers deep hydration and amazing slip. But blending everything into a smooth consistency is extremely important to prevent residue from getting stuck inside your low porosity hair. To add in some moisture, I'm adding jojoba oil. I'm going to be adding a splash of castor oil. Then, now vitamin E oil. Now let's mix it up. This combination of oils helps coat the hair and lock in moisture deep inside of the hair shaft, even after rinsing the mask out. Here I have my jar so I can transfer the conditioner into this. You guys can use any jar of your choice. And with that, your fresh deep conditioner is officially ready. Apply this to clean, damp hair, cover it with a plastic cap for 30 minutes to an hour, then rinse thoroughly with cool water for finally softer, deeply moisturized hair. Before we finish this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. The first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you'll get access to early videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. The second membership is called Dior Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level, plus exclusive member shoutouts. If you'd like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and it truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!